Welcome to Axis Mutual Fund. Today we will understand more about Axis Long-Term Equity Fund. It's a 3-year lock-in fund which can help you save tax and create wealth in the long term. We use the bottom-up approach for stock selection and handpick each company based on performance and sustainability. Data suggests that there is a substantial difference between the returns generated by high-quality top performers compared to weaker companies. This is the difference we endeavor to capture. We therefore look at stocks that have the ability to deliver sustainable growth. All our equity funds are distinctly positioned in terms of the segment of the market it invests and the risk-return profile it offers to the investor. Axis Long-Term Equity Fund is an all-cap strategy that invests across large, mid and small caps. Let's look at some of the key features of this fund. The fund has a 3-year lock-in period, and this allows the fund to look for ideas which generate long-term wealth without worrying about short-term movement or volatility. We look for ideas across the market cap universe for quality businesses that we are happy to keep for the long term. 3-year lock-in eliminates near-term pressure on stock selection and can support quality businesses through their market cycle. Last but not the least, it also provides tax benefit under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. One more important feature of ELSS is the lowest lock-in period. Axis Long-Term Equity Fund compares very favorably as an ELSS tax benefit option compared to PPF, ULIPs, bank deposits, which have much longer lock-ins. The multi-cap portfolio of Axis Long-Term Equity Fund is built with a focus on quality and endeavors to capture opportunities across the market. As we can see here, we have typically had about 60 to 65% of the fund in large caps and the balance in mid and small caps. The lock-in period allows greater flexibility to the fund to allocate to quality small and mid caps where liquidity is less. The fund strategy remains exploring the best ideas, regardless of whether or not they are in the benchmark. Let's look at the matched portfolio of last year. We can see historically the common positions between the fund and the benchmark have been in the region of 35%. The fund has consistently maintained a stable portfolio. Long-term approach to investing is evidenced by stability in the top holdings of the portfolio. As we can see here, approximately 80% of the assets in the portfolio were held for at least 12 months. The fund has given good returns. Its performance has been quite reasonable since its launch. It has completed more than 4 years of existence and has generated substantial wealth to investors in this period. In line with our investment philosophy, we've maintained focus on risk while delivering reasonable performance. A quality portfolio has historically shown to also offer a lower risk. To summarize, the fund offers a long-term quality stock portfolio that selects best ideas from across the market and seeks to generate a stable, risk-adjusted return across market cycles for the investors. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.